Greetings, learner. Welcome to our human resource management subject. We are continuing with the foundational theories of motivation in human resource management. And the theory we are looking at today is a theory that has been used extensively in human resource management and other areas. And it is the agency theory. And according to this theory, which has its roots in economic theory, the agency theory was formulated by Alchian and Demsetz in 1972, and it was further developed by Jensen and Meckling in 1976. This theory is defined as the relationship between the principals, such as shareholders and agents. So you have principals such as shareholders, and you have agents such as company executives and managers. According to the agency theory, Lana, the principals of a company hire agents, and when they hire these agents are expected to perform some work. And these agents operate with delegated authority so that they can run the business on behalf of the agents with directors and managers who are the agents of the shareholders. And this principle is very key in the sense that the shareholders, or those who have provided capital for an organization, may themselves not be there available to run the businesses on a day-to-day basis. They may not have the expertise also, or they may not have the time. So when they now facilitate, the principals facilitate the agents, then the agents can run business, and this is what makes business revolve around and transactions to be done. So this theory is very key to the area of management, to the area of human resource management, and it informs decisions, and it has been applied extensively in the area of human resource management.